Hello, and welcome to the Custom Change API Webcast. In the following demo, I'm going to show you what is a Custom Change API, what it is good for, and how to use it. Before we begin, you need to be familiar with the Change API first. A good place to start would be this documentation page that explains what the Change API is. In short, the Change API allows you to update your objects by passing instructions on how to update them, instead of passing on the whole object. Zap has several built-in change operations, and in 10.0, we added the ability for users to define a custom change operation. A custom change operation is a powerful feature that allows you to write your own custom code to perform any change you like to the objects in space in the most efficient way possible. Let's look at the simple example that shows how it works. First, we start in an embedded space. Then, we write some objects to the space. The objects are blog posts that have a text field and a set of tags. Then, we perform a change of operation that changes the blog post objects all at once. Change of operation consists of two parameters, query and the custom change operation. The query defines which objects would be affected by the change operation. In this case, all the objects that contain the foo tag. The custom change operation defines how the objects will be changed. In this case, replace all foo tags with bar tags. Now let's look at the replace tag operation. A replace tag extends the custom change operations. It has two mandatory methods. The first method is the getName method, which is the identifier of the operation. It has to be unique for different custom change operations. Second is the change operation. It receives the entry that needs to be changed, performs the change, and returns true if the objects are changed. Other objects that are previously filtered out by the query will not be passed to this method, so you don't need to check it again. If several objects need to be changed, a change operation will be called for each object. Now let's go through the change method implementation. First, we want to access the tag's property. This is dialed by calling the getPath value with the name of the property. In this case, it is tags. Now for the important part. You need to make sure that you don't change the original tag set. This is the reference to the actual data in the space, so changing it directly may result in inconsistent results. So to do this right, first you need to clone the data and create a new hash set. Then replace the old tag with a new tag, and then save the change by calling the setPathValue method. That's it. Now let's run the whole demo and see what happens. Since we're updating all the objects with foo tags, I expect only the first post and the third post to be updated. And indeed you can see that this is what happens. That's it. Thanks for watching.